Hi students, welcome to this video lecturer. In this video lecturer, we are going to see the solutions of questions from section 4 of model question paper of the course Engineering Mathematics with code 20SC01T of new syllabus, that is C20 syllabus. In section 4 there are two questions, that is 7, 9, 8. These are the questions from unit 4, that is the differential calculus and applications. Again each question is divided into 4 sub-bits, sub questions, 4 marks, 5 marks, 5 marks, 6 marks. Each question is 20 marks. Now we are going to seek answers for one by one. First 7a question. Question number 7a is, find the derivative of y equal to x square plus e to the power 2x plus cos x minus 2 log x with respect to x. Solution. Y is given, first write down the y. Solution. Given y equal to x square plus e to the power 2x plus cos 2x minus 2 log x minus 2 log x minus 2 log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. Y differentiation is dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x square, first term, plus differentiate the derivative of e to the power 2x plus d by dx of cos 2x minus d by dx of the derivative of 2 log x, differentiation of 2 log x is equal to first term differentiation of x to the power square, x square. For that we are going to use the formula, the d by dx of x to the power n formula, that is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. x square ಅಂದರೆ n equal to 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1 is 2, that is 2x. Differentiation is 2x plus second term is e to the power 2x. For this we are going to use the formula, derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x only. If it is f of x, chain rule, then it is f of x into f dash of x, that is e to the power 2x derivative is e to the power 2x into 2x derivative by chain rule, that is 2, plus third term differentiation of cos 2x. For that we are going to use formula d by dx of cos 2x, that cos x formula. Cos x formula is minus sin x, minus sin x. For this answer is minus sin 2x into 2x by chain rule, that is 2, minus 2 as it is, differentiation of log x. We are going to use direct formula, the differentiation of log x is equal to 1 by x derivative. Now it is 1 by x, dy by dx is equal to, what is dy by dx equal to? 2x as it is, plus 2 e to the power 2x plus into minus minus 2 sin 2x minus 2 by x, It is the required dy by dx, that is derivative. Next 7th b question. Find dy by dx if y equal to, y is given. Solution. Y is given y equal to sec x plus tan x divided by sec x minus tan x. You have to find out dy by dx. For this we are going to use chain, that quotient rule. What is that quotient rule is? Differentiation of u by v rule, that is equal to denominator square, that is v square, v as it is du by dx minus u as it is dv by dx, dv by, it is u by v, u by v. Now otherwise you can also simplify to make it simple, it is 1 by cos x 1 by ಆ ಥರನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. to save the time, that is y equal to y differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, what is that is dy by dx is equal to dy by dx equal to denominator as it is, denominator andre sec x minus tan x as it is, into numerator differentiation is sec x into tan x differentiation, tan x differentiation is sec square x minus numerator as it is sec x plus tan x as it is into denominator differentiation is sec x tan x minus sec square x whole divided by denominator square, that is v square, v square andre sec x minus tan x whole square, tan x minus whole square. Now next is simplify it, you have to simplify it. For simplification I will copy this to next step. Simplification is, that is dy by, I have taken that previous step copied, dy by dx equal to multiply 1 by 1 term sec x into sec x tan x, that is sec square x tan x, sec x into sec square x sec cube x minus tan x into sec x tan x is sec x into tan square x minus sec square x tan x, first 4 term. Next sec x into sec x tan x is sec x sec square x tan x minus sign, that is minus sec square x tan x, first term, sec cube x minus into minus, it becomes plus sec cube x. Next tan x tan square x, so it is minus sign sec x tan square x minus into minus plus sec square x tan x whole divided by, this is the denominator, you have to keep as it is, that is sec x minus tan x whole square, tan x whole square. Now simplification, here positive term, negative term, and sec square x, it is negative, it is positive, actually here x is missing, you have to write here x. Now remaining term is dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to sec cube x plus sec cube x is 2 sec cube x minus sec tan square x, sec tan square x is 2 sec x tan square x, 2 sec x tan square x divided by sec x minus tan x whole square, sec x minus tan x whole square. Next step is, that is I will going to copy this last step to next page. Now next step is dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to, common is sec x and 2 sec x common, what is remaining is sec square x minus tan square x divided by sec x minus tan x whole square, sec x minus tan x whole square. Now we know one formula, that is 1 plus tan square x, 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x, sec square x. From this formula you can write, that is plus 1 becomes minus 1 tan sec square x minus tan square x equal to 1. Therefore, that dy by dx is equal to 2 sec x into 1 divided by sec x minus tan x whole square, that is dy by dx is equal to 2 sec x divided by sec x minus tan x whole square. This is the required answer. Now same problem can be solved in different way, that is y equal to, if we want it make it short, sec x, what is it, is actual question is sec x plus tan x divided by sec x minus tan x, sec x plus tan x divided by sec x minus tan x. If you want to make it simple, first you have to simplify, that sec x is 1 by cos x plus tan x is sin x by cos x divided by 1 by cos x minus sin x by cos x, sin x by cos x. If you take LCM cos x cancel agutta hai, what is the remaining is y equal to 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. Same thing you can continue, idannu ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, continue ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. It is not answer. For this you have to apply u by v rule, then get the answer. It is another method. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ sec x plus tan x divided by sec x minus tan x, denominator square, denominator as it is, numerator differentiation minus numerator as it is, denominator differentiation. Then you have to multiply term by term carefully, sec x sec square x tan x, sec cube x minus sec x idagutte minus and minus sec square x tan x plus sec cube x minus sec tan square x, next plus sec square x. Now x tan x, 4 terms get cancel, take common, then simplify. You will get final answer 2 sec x divided by sec x minus tan x whole square. Now 7th C. Find dy by dx if y equal to tan inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Solution: given y equal to tan inverse 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Now y equal to, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. What is y differentiation is dy by dx. Here you have to use chain rule. First tan inverse formula, tan inverse formula is 1 by 1 plus x square, that becomes 1 by 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x whole square. It is a tan inverse formula. Tan inverse formula is 1 by 1 plus x square. In place of x, it is bracket into chain rule. This bracket differentiation, u by v rule, denominator square, that is v square 1 minus x whole square, 1 minus x as it is, 1 minus x as it is. Numerator differentiation is 1 plus x differentiation, 1 differentiation is 0 plus x differentiation is 1 minus 1 plus x as it is, 1 minus x differentiation, what it is, 0 minus 1. Now, dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx equal to LCM is 1 minus x whole square LCM agutta. If you simplify, 1 minus x whole square goes to numerator, 1 minus x whole square goes to numerator after taking LCM. Here it becomes 1 minus x whole square plus 1 plus x whole square into, now simplify, 1 minus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square. Now, this one becomes 1 minus x into 1, 1 minus x minus, minus 1 agata, minus into minus plus, it is 1 plus x, 1 minus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square cancels, that is dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x 1 plus x, that is 1 minus x plus 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x whole square is a square is 1 plus b square is x square minus 2x. Next, plus 1 plus x whole square, a plus b whole square, a square is 1 plus b square is 1 x square plus 2ab 2x, a plus a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square plus x minus x cancel, here x square get cancels, 2x 2x sorry x 2x 2x cancels. Now, dy by dx is equal to, the both are positive, 1 plus 1 2 divided by 1 plus 1 2 plus x square plus x square 2x square to x square. In denominator 2 is common, that is 2 divided by 2 common, 1 plus x square, 1 ja 1 ja. Therefore, what is final dy by dx is, dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus x square. Next, 7th D question. 7th D. If S equal to 2x cube plus 3x plus 4 represents the displacement of the particle in motion at time x, then find velocity at x equal to 2, acceleration at x equal to 3. Solution. Write down the given displacement. S equal to given 2x cube plus 3x plus 4. Now, first differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. What is x? That is ds by dx. ds by dx is 2 x cube differentiation is 3x square plus 3 x differentiation is 1 plus 4 differentiation is 0. What is the now ds by dx is? That is 6x square plus 3. It is equation number 2. Next, again differentiating with respect to x. Again differentiating with respect to, that is again differentiating with respect to x, what it becomes, d square s by dx square. D square s by dx square is equal to 6 into 2x, x square differentiation is 2x plus 3 differentiation is 0, that is 0 equal to 12x. Equation number 3. Equation number 3. Now velocity at x equal to 2 second, at x equal to 2 second is equal to ds by dx at x equal to 2, at x equal to 2, that is equal to what it is, 6x square. In place of x you have to put 2, 6 into 2 square plus 3, 2 square is 4, 4 into 6 24, 24 plus 3 27, 27 unit per second, unit per second, time is second. Next, acceleration at question is at x equal to 3, at x equal to 3 second, at x equal to 3 second is equal to what it is, d square s by dx square at x equal to 3, at x equal to 3, that is equal to what it is, your 12x, it is 12 into 3, 12 into 3, what it is equal to 36 unit per second square, that acceleration is per second square. It is question 7D. Next, 8A, find dy by dx if y equal to 3x to the power 4 plus 4 log x plus 2 e to the power 3x plus tan inverse x. Now solution, write down the given equation, that is y, given is y equal to 3x to the power 4 plus 4 log x plus 2 e to the power 3x plus tan inverse x, plus tan inverse x, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, y differentiation is dy by dx is equal to 3 into x to the power 4 is 12 x cube, sorry 4x cube, 4x cube plus 4 as it is, log x differentiation is 1 by x plus 2 as it is, e to the power 3x differentiation is e to the power 3x into 3, e to the power 3x into 3 plus tan inverse x differentiation, standard formula is 1 by 1 plus x square, 3 as it is, x to the power 4 differentiation is 4x to the power 3 by using x to the power n formula, 4 constant as it is, log x differentiation is 1 by x plus 2 as it is, e to the power 3x is e to the power 3x into 3x differentiation is 3 plus tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 3 4s are 12 x cube plus 4 into 1 by x is 4 by x, 2 into 3 6 e to the power 3x plus 1 by 1 plus x square. It is the required answer for 8A. Next, 8B. Question is next 8B. If y equal to e to the power 3x sin x, then find dy by dx. Solution, if given, what is given, y equal to e to the power 2x sin 3x, here product of two functions, therefore you have to use product rule, that is d by dx of u into v, product of two function equal to first function u as it is, differentiation of second plus second as it is, differentiation of first, this is e to the power 2x is first function, sin 3x is second. From this rule, differentiating with respect to x, what you are going to use, get dy by dx is equal to first function as it is e to the power 2x, derivative of sin 3x, sin 3x plus sin 3x as it is, sin 3x as it is, that is differentiation of e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x. Now, differentiation is dy by dx is equal to first function as it is e to the power 2x. Sin 3x differentiation is cos 3x into, from chain rule, 3x differentiation is 3, 3x differentiation is 3 plus sin 3x as it is, sin 3x as it is, e to the power 2x differentiation, e to the power 2x into 2x differentiation is 2, that is dy by dx is equal to, e to the power 2x is common, e to the power 2x common, write in bracket 3 cos 3x plus 2 sin 3x, 2 sin 3x, it is the required answer, that is the answer. Next, 8c, find d square y by dx square if y equal to 3 sin x plus 4 cos x at x equal to 1, means you have to find out that particular point at a particular point. Solution, first write down the given y equal to 3 sin x plus 4 cos x, differentiate with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, what you are going to get, dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx equal to 3 sin x is 3 sin x differentiation is cos x plus 4 as it is, what is cos x differentiation is minus sin x, therefore what is the dy by dx equal to 3 cos x minus 4 sin x, minus 4 sin x, minus 4 sin x. Next is dy by, again differentiate with respect to x, again differentiating with respect to x, again differentiating with respect to x, d square y by dx square, that is second order derivative, d by dx the derivative is d square y by dx square, 3 as it is, cos x derivative is minus sin x minus 4 sin x derivative is cos x, that is d square y by dx square is equal to minus 3 sin x minus 4 cos x, minus 4 cos x. Actual our question is, 1 minute, we have to find out d square y by dx square at a particular point, that point given is x equal to 1, at x equal to 1, at x equal to 1, at x equal to 1, that is now d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square at x equal to 1, at x equal to 1 means just you have to put minus 3 sin 1 minus 3 cos 1, but not possible to simplify that, minus 4 here, not possible to simplify, you have to stop here only, this is the required answer. Next, last question of this section, find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y equal to x square at the point 1 comma 1. Solution, given y equal to x square, first you have to find out dy by dx, differentiating with respect to x, x. What is that? dy by dx. Y differentiation is dy by dx. X square differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2x. Now slope. Before that you have to find out m. Now consider m equal to dy by dx at 1 comma 1. X equal to 1, y equal to 1, that is 2 into 1. What it is equal to? 2. Means m value is 2. Now first equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at which point? 1 comma 1. What is the formula? Is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. It is x1 y1. Here m is 2. Y minus 1 equal to 2 into x minus 1. That is y minus 1 equal to 2x minus 2. Now take to right side, that is 2x minus 2 minus y plus 1 equal to 0. What that is? 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the required answer for tangent. Now equation of normal is at 1 comma 1 is, formula is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m x minus x1. What is y minus y1? Y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by m value is 2, x minus 1, cross multiply, 2y minus 2 equal to 2 into y, 2y, 2 into 1, 2, minus 1 into x, minus x, minus into minus, plus 1. Now 2y minus 2 minus x becomes plus x minus 1 equal to 0. That is x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. X plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. It is required equation of normal. It is required equation of tangent, required equation of normal. Now these are the questions from that section 4. Now to get the solutions of questions from section 5, watch that video part number 5. Thank you.